Looking for a fun, safe, and structured summer camp where your child can learn while having an absolute blast? Welcome to Bright Builders Summer Camp, where kids build, explore, and create all summer long. For kids ages 5 to 12, we offer hands-on weekly themes like Lego, engineering challenges, beginner robotics, exciting STEM experiments, creative team challenges, and for our future chefs, we also have junior bakers, where kids learn baking basics, decorating, and fun kitchen skills in a kid-friendly environment. It's the perfect mix of learning and fun. Kids make friends, build confidence, and take pride in what they create each week. Camp runs Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at St. Andrew's United Methodist Church in Brandon. Spots are limited and weeks fill fast, so don't wait. Visit brightbuilderscamp.com to learn more and register today. Bright Builders Summer Camp. Build. Code. Create.